Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Aliko Rahman Adisa Putra. You can call me Putra. My ID student is G1D025100060. Today I'm going to talk about my opinion about marriage. First, what is marriage? Marriage is a physical and spiritual bond between a man and a woman to live together as husband and wife with the goal of forming a happy and loving family. From an Islamic perspective, marriage is mitzvah al a very strong covenant worship, a way to draw closer to Allah, a means to create peace, love, and marriage. It's not just about two people living together, but also about mutual understanding, support, and building goodness together. So I think marriage is important, but its importance can vary from person to person. In Islam, marriage has a religious value and is considered a path to building a life feeling with peace, sakinah, love, mawadah, and mercy. So, from a Sharia perspective, yes, marriage is recommended and considered important, but important doesn't mean it's all the rules of fortune. Islam also teaches that marriage should be done when a person is ready, mentally, emotionally, and financially. So if you're not ready, it's perfectly fine to wait. It's short, important as an act of worship and sunnah, but it still need to be realistic and fully prepared. That's all for me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.